Hello everyone and welcome to Learn Everything Online. First of all, congratulations on successfully completing 3 chapters of this series. Now we will move one step ahead to chapter number 4, that is conjunctions and articles. Just like in English, conjunctions and articles are very important in Spanish too. The basic building blocks of any sentence or any language are these things. So let us get started.
Hello everyone and welcome to today's chapter number 4, articles and conjunction. Now the first part of this chapter is articles. Now in Spanish we have to notice, or we have to take care, or we have to remember that articles, verbs and adjectives take the form of the noun, that is, they take the gender of the noun. Now you might be confused as to what am I saying, but we will see with the first article. Now in this part we will be learning only two basic articles, that is a or an and the. So let us begin. The first article that we will see is a. So the word for a is un and una. Now like I said, they take the form of the noun. Now un takes the form of the noun when the noun is masculine, and una is used when the noun is feminine. So like I said, un is used for masculine and una is used for feminine. Un, una, that is a. Now un and una can also be used for an, okay, or an, un or una. Now un and una are the singular forms of the article a. What if there is a plural noun? So for that we use the plural form of those. For masculine we use unos and for feminine we use unas. Unos and unas. The next article is the. Now for the, again we have the masculine and feminine form. The masculine form of the is L, pronounced L, and the feminine form of the is la. La. L and la. Again, now L and la are the singular forms. The plural form of the are los and las. Los for masculine, las for feminine. Now to understand the use of these articles with their gender noun, we will see two more words, two very basic nouns. First one is boy. So the word for boy is chico or niño. Now the title above this N makes it sound near. That is why the word it's niño. So the word for boy is chico or niño. Chico, niño. You can use any one of them. And similarly the word for girl is chica or niña. Chica, niña. Now how would we say a boy? Keeping in mind that boy of course is masculine. So we will, and it is in singular form. So we will be using the singular masculine form of a, that is un. So a boy will be un chico or un niño. Un chico, un niño. Similarly, for saying a girl, girl being feminine, singular, so the form of a for feminine and singular is una. So una chica or una niña. Una chica, una niña. Similarly, we'll see for the boy, like when we say for a particular boy. So the boy is el chico or el niño. And the feminine form for the, using for the word the girl, is la. So la chica, la niña. Now all these were the singular forms. Now where do we use the plural forms? So for that we will say the boys, like a group of boys, particular group of boys. So the boys, we will say los chicos. Now the word chico was for a singular boy, single boy. The word chicos is the plural form of the word chico. So los chicos, the boys. The girls would be las chicas, las chicas. Now a few boys. Now here a few, meaning we will use the plural form of the article a, and the word for boys will remain the same. So we have unos chicos, a few boys, unos chicos. Similarly, for a few girls we have unas chicas, unas chicas. Now these were the two basic articles that we will be seeing in this chapter. The second part of this chapter is conjunctions. Now conjunctions do not have any variations depending on the nouns. They just have one single pronunciation and one single word for anything and everything for a sentence. So the very first conjunction, very important and basic conjunction, is and. And it is a very simple pronunciation for and, where a single syllable, that is E. Pronunciation of this Y is E. And E. So how would we say a boy and a girl? Un chico y una chica. Un chico y una chica. Next conjunction is or. Again, or is very simple, single syllable, that is just O. Or is O. So how would you say a boy or a girl? Un chico o una chica. Un chico o una chica. Now what if we want to use the other word for boy and girl? We'll be using un niño o una niña. Next conjunction is but. But. For that the word is pero. Now remember, do not stress on the word R. Do not say it as perro, because the meaning of perro is dog. Here but is pero. Soft pronunciation. Pero. The word for because is porque. Porque. The pronunciation for QUE is que. So porque. Because. And one more bonus word we will be saying is for you are. You are a girl, you are a boy. For that you are is tú eres. Tú eres. The stress on you is very important. Tú eres. Now how would we say this sentence? I am a girl, but you are a boy. Soy una chica, pero eres un chico. Soy una chica, pero eres un chico. And how would you say the sentence? My name is Ashwin because I am a boy. Me llamo Ashwin porque soy un chico. Me llamo Ashwin porque soy un chico. So that is all for today's lecture, guys. If you have any doubts, please drop them in the comment section and I'll try to solve all of them. Thank you.
So I hope it was easy and you got the hang of it. So do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Tell me in the comment section how you liked the video, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.